Good morning, students. Last topic in our ethics and corporate social responsibility subject is reporting social responsibility measure in annual report. Reporting social responsibilities measures in annual report topic will comprises of the performance based evaluation of any industry which predict to say their social activities not by mere oral communications but via the annual report which will be prepared by government plus that industry itself. Social changes may not occur on account of scientific research, level of education, mixed culture, etc. Political and economic factors also play a significant role in bringing about changes in the outlook of people. So it is political factors, that is the factors which is related to governments. Governments can do better to the needy and people who required the help. Economic factors means in terms of a budget requirement, it is possible that for the purpose of social activities there are a lot of resources which will be required. So political vision and economic factors, that is a budget, will play a very significant role in uplifting or in measuring business social performance. Swachh Bharat from government is such example which is very good, but local community of urban and rural areas has to accept it and understand its wider implications. When people will understand it, when people will in its daily routine will also include Swachh Bharat by making their surrounding cleans, whether the industries or whether their home or whether their streets, whether their further environment. It will make about changes, but Swachh Bharat is a good activities initiative done by government, but on the other hand, it is seen that people are not initiating or people don't involve or people have involved to certain time, but after that they are not consistent what the government's vision mission is. At the same time, lack of political visions in many areas, it's also a result of lacking of social performance which will be seen in annual report of any organizations. But we can say an industry as well as the people who are living nearby, they should be having its wider implications. There are number of activities which are being conducted at every year by the governments. Government undertakes a number of programs for the development of needy and developing community. Industry sponsored projects might get higher value attached to it because industry can spare manpower and money. Political vision as well as at the same time people from the corporate field, people from corporate houses or the big companies, they just has got a higher value for their sponsored project because they have money and manpower, so they can spare manpower and money that resources is required to do social activities. At the same time, qualified and competent staff of industries can work with people of the nearby community and get them involved in the work. So as we say, in terms of resources, manpower and money, industry has both the things. At the same time, we can say qualified and competent staff of industries can work with people. People can work to nearby community and get them involved in the work. So it is usual practices by many corporate houses in today's time also, 21st century. When we see, there are many industries who does this system very well by having economic as well as they have monetary plus manpower resources. When we say they possess skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled workers within their organizations, which are working at different levels in the organizations. So we can say qualified and competent staff of industries can work with people of nearby community and get them involved in the work, so they can better change the future of the people who are needy, who are in requirement. They can change their life. One such example is of Tata, right? Tata promotes such kind of advertisement where it is seen that in the advertisement of Tata, you can easily see that a lady from Orissa, he just rides a big machines, right? So she says that when I joined this group, at that particular time my life was just known having any kind of vision, but in today's time I am economical independent, as well as I can make decisions, I can run my family, I can have a better future for my children's. So these are the advantage they have got after joining the company. So we can say companies can change people's, companies can change local communities, and they bring their living of standards, number of activities they can do. So it is an industries who will make realized that each program is a joint endeavor between industry and people residing in the nearby vicinity of the industries. So within an industry, right, within a certain areas, we can say it is an responsibilities of that industries that it will take care of its environments and nearby peoples by giving them the job, as well as making the surroundings very neat and clean. So the dynamic changes in social environment cannot become a simple mathematical equations. One of them is how to measure CSR activities and program. In today's world, relevance of any program and its success is measured by its outcome. So we cannot say only promotions will make any differences. That may not happen. So in today's world, relevance of any program is dependent upon or success is measured in terms of result. What is the result? Everybody is interested in the result. Success of any program carried out for the upliftment and betterment of a community is judged by its content analysis. How many people are covered under the program? How many people actually participated, got involved and received the benefit from such programs? So there will be a content analysis, what the companies have done. How many people were there? How many people have actually participated? How many have benefited from the programs? Right? Social, economic, intellectual, cultural and emotional development of people. So here we say 360-degree development is seen by the company or an industry. So corporate CSR and corporate social sustainability report are very important, right? So what we say is a social performance, whatever you have done throughout the year, you have to easily describe or summarize in a report, or in your annual report there should be a specific sections that will be different, right? आप annual report prepare कर रहे हैं, in that you are, I know the most interesting part is about financial reports, financial analysis, but at the same time there should be an separate heading, right? Separate content where you will have to add how much expenditures was been involved or how much budget was been allocated for social activities, and at the same time what was planned and what have done. That should be easily it can be measured. So corporate social responsibility and corporate sustainability report are very important. Indian corporate follow and global reporting initiative guidelines to prepare the sustainability report. Right, directly looking at a income and expenditure report or statements, cost incurred on CSR programs and activities, benefits to local community with reference to overall development of the community. Corporate social responsibility cannot be equated with social marketing. CSR is totally dedicated to use of companies' resources and manpower towards meeting the needs of social upliftment and development of community at large, while social marketing deals with changing attitudes and opinion of people residing in nearby community pertaining to certain unaccepted norms and attitude. So here when we speak about CSR, we also speak about different criterias where we will change, and overall developments will be made comprises of social, economic, intellectual, cultural and emotional development, right? So it will be concerned about, or vision should be made where changes also will be made to nearby people who resides, right? So their rights are there, that industries which is going to or which is flourished gets profit from its surrounding. It also has to look at its surrounding areas should also develop, at the same time industry has been developed. So ये changes लाने पड़ेंगे, राइट? क्यों लाने पड़ेंगे? बिकॉज आप वही एनवायरमेंट से पैसे अर्न करते हो, राइट? एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हम लेते रिलायंस. सो रिलायंस जामनगर में फॉर्म्ड है, जामनगर में बेस है, सबसे बड़ी एशिया की रिफाइनरी एट सिंगल लोकेशंस पे है. तो बेसिकली रिलायंस ने अपनी हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज़ है, दूसरी स्कूल्स, मॉल्स, कॉलेजेस, इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बगल में उन्होंने एरिया लेके वो बनाई है कि जो एम्प्लॉयज़ है, जो कि कंपनीज़ के एम्प्लॉयज़ है, वो कहाँ रहेंगे, वेयर दे विल लिव, राइट? बिकॉज दे आर द एसेट्स ऑफ द कंपनीज. तो उन्होंने अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को अलग अलग फैसिलिटीज़ दी है, बिकॉज दे फील दैट व्हेन दे आर गिविंग सच फैसिलिटीज़ टू देयर एम्प्लॉयज़, द वर्कर्स, in return the workers will work better. So CSR touches every nook and corner of India. Every industry, whether small or big, initiates CSR perspective. In spite of legal requirements, Indian companies are interested to go beyond what is required and provide varieties of programs relating to corporate social responsibility. Every citizen is taken care of by providing multifarious activities. Again, it is a joint endeavor of management, workers, government, local public, voluntary welfare agency, etc. It reminds us of a Gujarati proverb, Jaja Hath Radiamna. It means many hand gives better look to the program. So it is a joint initiative, joint endeavor where peoples are with them. So CSR activities, initiatives are touching child welfare, youth. So number of categories are there where we have seen that developments are made. Right from Swachh Bharat mission to toilet training and building toilets even in remote areas, and providing knowledge about cleanliness, personal hygiene, moral and social hygiene, etc. Almost all the companies in India provide excellent CSR initiative.